on Trends, and today I'm back with another tie and dye video. Since you guys loved the one that I did with Yasha, I thought why not make another one. But this one is a little different. So here are the things that you need. You need whatever you're tie and dyeing. I'm using a white cloth. You can use any, this is like a dupatta, but try to get a white, whatever you're tie and dyeing, try to do it white. So, and you need these Fevicryl acrylic paints, so yeah. And you need a thread, a thick thread, so I have this one. So let's start. So step 1, we are gonna put the dupatta and store whatever into the water. So let's put it. So now that I've soaked it in water and now it's completely wet, so I'm gonna tie it with thread, and you can tie it however you want. So yeah, I'll be back then. So now I have like twisted it really tightly, and I have tied a thread on it. So here I've divided it into 4 pieces, so you can divide it however you want. If you don't want to divide it, you can do the swirl. That's really cool too. And I've twisted it for a good effect. So yeah, and now I'm gonna take like a basket or a tray. You can take whatever you want, and then I'm gonna take some water and add some color, and then start coloring it, dyeing it. So let's start. So I've got some water, a bowl, a brush, and some paint. I'm gonna start with this red, it's red. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some water. With my brush, I don't want to get my hands dirty. And then I'm just gonna mix it up. Oh my gosh, it's turning like a little bit of like hot pink oil. I don't know. And I'm gonna take this hot bread, and dip. Okay, now I'm gonna do the second section. So yeah, and since this was getting really messy, so I got like this basket. Yeah. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water. I changed my bowl, by the way. Okay, that's enough. And now I'm gonna add some of the blue paint. It's kind of darkish blue, but I feel like when I mix it with the water, it kind of turns light. So it's time for number 3, and yeah, so I'm gonna add some water first. Okay, enough. And now some of this ultra green color. So yeah. Now I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna add it. So mix, mix, mix. Stir, stir. And make sure you guys do this outside, because it could get really messy, or just wear old clothes or an apron. So yeah, you can keep yourself clean. And I'm gonna close this up quick. And now it's time for the green, the grass green, the nature green, whatever you want to call it. Okay. So yeah, it's time for yellow. So let's start. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm not going to add too much because yellow is really light color, so yeah. That's enough. Okay. And now I'm going to take the yellow paint, of course. And yeah. Oh my gosh. It's like the bright yellow. I want it to be bright. I don't want it to be a light yellow. I want it to be bright like the sun. Okay. So I think that's enough. Not too much. Okay, now I'm going to take this part, the last one, and deep inside. This is actually so fun. I like doing it. It feels so calming. It feels satisfying. Then you dip it in the water. Yeah. Oh my gosh, okay, it's done. So it's done! Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Like pink, blue, green, yellow. Oh my gosh. And I left this part white because it looks super cute. And now, basically what you're going to do is you're going to dry it. And after it's dried, you're going to steam iron it or just iron it. And then you're ready to use it and you're fabulous while doing it. So, yeah. And you're going to obviously untie it. But first let it dry, then untie it. So, yeah. I hope you guys liked it. So I hope you guys like this tie and dye. And now I'm gonna show you how mine turned out on my Instagram, Unicorn Friends. And hope you guys liked it. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fun videos like this. Bye guys.